Looking for high-protein plant-based lunch ideas? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll whip up 2 scrumptious, protein-packed, plant-based lunches. These recipes are not only a feast for the senses, but also a boon for your health. Whether you're a seasoned vegan, a dedicated vegetarian, or simply someone who's keen on reducing meat intake, these meal ideas are a perfect fit. So, are you ready to infuse your lunchtime with a dash of plant power? Ready to get cooking? Let's dive into our first recipe. First up, a nutrient-packed quinoa salad. Let's get started with the star of our salad, quinoa. This superfood is not only packed with proteins, but also brings a delightful crunch to our salad. To cook it, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water until the water runs clear. Then, in a medium saucepan, combine the quinoa with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil and then reduce to a simmer until all the water is absorbed. This should take around 15 minutes. As the quinoa cooks, let's prepare our veggies. Start by chopping up some fresh cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and vibrant bell peppers. These not only add a rainbow of colors to our salad, but also provide an array of vitamins and minerals. Now, it's time to whisk together our simple yet flavorful dressing. Combine a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil with the juice of 1 freshly squeezed lemon. Season this with a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. This dressing will bring together all the flavors, adding a zesty kick to our salad. Once the quinoa has cooled, combine it with the chopped vegetables and pour over the dressing. Toss it all together until everything is well coated. Remember, quinoa is an excellent source of protein, making it a perfect base for a plant-based meal. It's not just a grain, it's a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. And there you have it, a delicious protein-packed quinoa salad. Now let's move on to our second recipe. Next, we have a warming and hearty chickpea curry. To start, we'll need to sauté some onions. This is going to be our base flavor, and it's going to add a wonderful sweetness to our curry. Next, we're going to add in some garlic. Garlic, as we know, is a powerhouse of flavor, and it's going to give our curry a delicious depth of taste. Now let's talk about spices. We're going to be using a mix of cumin, turmeric, and coriander. Once those are all sautéed together and smelling absolutely divine, it's time to add in our chickpeas. Chickpeas are an excellent source of protein, making them a fantastic choice for plant-based meals. Next, we're going to add in some tomatoes. The tomatoes are going to add a lovely freshness to our curry, and they're also going to help all those flavors meld together. Finally, we're going to let everything simmer together. This is really where the magic happens. As everything simmers, the flavors have a chance to really meld together, creating a dish that's more than the sum of its parts. And that's it, a satisfying protein-filled chickpea curry. So, there you have it. 2 high-protein, plant-based lunches that are as delicious as they are nutritious. This week we explored a vibrant quinoa salad and a hearty chickpea curry. Both pack a protein punch, are simple to prepare, and promise a flavor-filled experience. I encourage you to give these recipes a whirl and infuse more plant-based meals into your daily fare. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, healthy eating can be delicious and fulfilling. Until next time, happy cooking!